I love this freaking hair. I love this freaking hair. I just had to come back and tell y'all I love this.
I got no choice but to turn this bitch sideways. I can't believe that it's freaky.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Shanika J, and I am back with another video. So today, you guys, I am going to be doing an initial hair review on Dolago hair. I'm not sure how to say it, but I will put everything in the description box down below. Y'all, this hair is so freaking pretty. So this is this hair has product in it right now, and I do have a video of where it doesn't have product, and I'm gonna insert that video on the next clip. You guys, I love this hair, you guys, and I'm not here to lie to y'all. I'm gonna keep it all the way gangsta. I'm gonna keep it cool. I'm gonna keep it G. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, but this hair is so freaking pretty, you guys. This is my first time actually getting some good curly hair, because before I got my hair from AliExpress, and everybody knows AliExpress is like a hit and miss, but y'all, this hair is so freaking pretty. I want to show y'all. This is how it looks. And this what it has product in it. It's a bit damp, so I'm still waiting on it to dry to see the final look. But you can flip it this way, you can flip it that way. Girl, you can do a middle part if you like. But y'all, and I did go ahead and do my best on my frontal, applying the frontal. And I actually did a good job, I ain't gonna even lie. But y'all, I love this freaking hair. I'm finna probably talk y'all to death, so we're gonna get right into this video. So y'all stay tuned if you wanna see how I install this hair. So you guys, this is the braiding pattern. I went ahead and just braided it straight back. Just something simple. They are little because my hair is kind of thick, so I did them a bit small. The company did go ahead and send out a stocking cap and elastic band. And the stocking cap is actually my skin color, which is great. So let's get right into this video. Stocking cap onto my head. I'm going to go ahead and take some Eco Styling gel and just push back my edges so I can get all my baby hairs out of the way. We don't want our edges to be snatched off. So we're going to go ahead and push those back, brush them back so that we can go ahead and pull the stocking cap down. And I think I got it on backwards. We're going to take it off and put it back on. Okay, we're going to put it on the proper way. Before I put the wig on, I just want to show you guys that I did bleach the knots for a couple minutes. And that was it, just to make it look like a scalp. This is how it looks. So now it has a scalp. At first it didn't have a scalp, it was just this color, but I went ahead and bleached the knots and went ahead and did that. And you guys, this is the hair is wet. Well, it's not that wet, it's kind of drying, and this is how it looks. So now we're going to go ahead and take some blasting spray and put it around our hairline so that our wig can stay down. And I'm going to take a blade, or if you have scissors, you can use that too. I'm going to cut a little hole by my ear just so that we can keep our flaps down, because our flaps tend to roll up. So this is an easier way to keep it down. But then we're going to go ahead and take our Got2b glued gel and go ahead and put it like right here, just in between. Okay guys, so now I have got it to where it's almost dry. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off this cap, and this is what I'm gonna go ahead and go just like this. Okay y'all, so see, I have got my cap down as good as I can get it away from my edges. I'm gonna go ahead and get a wet towel. We're just taking a wet damp towel, and we're gonna go ahead and go around our hairline just like this, just to get all of the gel off of our skin. Some powder, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my hairline, just so we can get it to blend a little more. We're going to take some alcohol, and this is to get rid of the oils, residue, and anything around here that's going to make our frontal not stick. I'm going to take the same rag, it doesn't matter what you use. Don't use cotton because it'll get stuck. I did that before, so be careful with the cotton. And then we're gonna go ahead and go around our edges. Then we are going to take our wig. Anyways, y'all, this is what I did. I went ahead and just sewed it onto the frontal, which is right here, because I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off because that's gonna be around my ear. So I went ahead and gave me some space in between, and I'm gonna go taking the blasting spray. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it around my perimeter of my hairline and smooth it out, giving it a flat surface. Then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and take the Got2b glue gel and spread this around the outline of my hairline as well. And we're gonna make this an even amount all the way across. No clumps, no lumps, so we can avoid the flakiness. So go ahead and apply that. And then once we do that, we're gonna go ahead and take our blow dryer and we're gonna blow dry that until it's tacky enough to stick the wig on. Okay, I didn't put it on my edges yet because I'm not sure if I want to do that yet, but here goes nothing. Make sure it's equal on each side, which it is. I can feel it ear to ear. And then I'm going to go ahead and we're going to start with the front part, which is this part. I'll go ahead and follow my edges here. So just right here, you guys can see it. I'm going to place it right there, and it's already stuck, so I can't move it. I'm going to take like a makeup brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and do this really lightly. And I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing I did for the middle section all the way around. So I'm taking that piece, putting it right where my hairline is, and pressing it down. Go ahead and do the same thing right where my hairline is, and pressing it down. Taking a makeup brush to give it a smoother surface and pressing it down. You guys, it's not as hard as it looks. It's kind of easy. You're just going to have to follow your hairline to give it a realistic look. So if you don't follow your hairline, it's going to look like a square, and we don't want that. So doing the same thing, pulling it, finding my hairline, and placing it down, pressing it down, and so on and so forth. I'm going to add some more spray because the flaps are really complicated. When it comes to a frontal, it doesn't stay down like it's supposed to. So make sure you apply a generous amount of glue or gel right there. And I'm taking a blow dryer, just blow drying it so that it can stay. And then once we're done with that, it's going to look like, what the hell am I doing? It's going to look like this. So we are going to go ahead and cut this off. I think it's easier if you cut it on your head besides doing it off of your head. So I'm going to go ahead and put my hair into a ponytail, and okay, that's loose. We're going to go ahead and do that later. But we're going to put my hair in a ponytail, and we're going to go ahead and get to the cutting part of this. But before we do that, I'm going to go ahead and add gel to my flaps. And well, when I say flap, I'm saying sideburns. Well, the sideburns of my hair. And get that out of the way first. Go ahead and blow dry that down and get that tacked down. Okay, I'm back. So I got the edges glued down. They're a bit crunchy. But anyways, y'all, I'm going to take this. I'm not going to use my scissors because the scissors don't give me, I want to do it where it's like a jaggedy to shape a realistic look. That's what I want to do. And I'm going to go ahead and cut it down the middle right here. And I'm going to start up here. I'm cutting this on camera, so I am going to just cut the lace off. But when I'm cutting this lace off, I'm actually giving it kind of a shape. So I'm following where I placed it at. But then again, we don't want to just cut it straight across because we want it to look natural as possible. So we're just going to go ahead and go like a squiggly, like just up and down, just no pattern, no straight lines when we do this. So just follow wherever you place the lace at. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to keep on cutting, and keep on cutting. And as you can see how it's starting to look natural already. But you guys, you can use scissors or you can use a blade. It's up to you. That's optional. I just like to use a blade because it gives it a more jaggedy, zigzag type of look. The scissors give it a more straight look. But I'm still going to go ahead and cut all this off. And then I'm going to come back with the finished look. Okay, guys. So I just went around the edges and went ahead and just sprayed them down. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and let it down. done here. So then I'm gonna go ahead and cut the strips off around my ear. So that'll be the next thing to do, is cut the strips from my ear. I don't know if I want to keep plucking this because I don't want it to look bald headed, but I think I'm gonna have to go back in and pluck some more. But what I'm gonna do is go ahead and cut my flaps off. What's going on, y'all? This is the natural state after I have wetted. I just wetted, no product is in his hair. So this is a natural. I love this hair. I just gotta get that out. I love this freaking hair, y'all. I just want to thank Dolago, or however you pronounce their name. I don't want to butcher it. I just want to thank Dolago for sending me out this hair. Y'all the ones. Y'all the ones. But thank you so much for sending me out this hair. I love this hair. It's so freaking soft. It haven't got nappy or anything to me, like, because I've had some bad curly hair before that was I had to throw it away at one point. I had to throw it away. And this hair, I love this hair, and this is his natural state, y'all. Look at this. This is his natural state. Poofy. No product is in this hair. I just love it. I went ahead and did all my edges and everything off camera because I was having a difficult time. I did not want to record that. But y'all, I'm going to put product in his hair because it's too fluffy for me right now. I want it to be a little bit flatter. So y'all stay tuned and let's see how this hair looks with the product. So I'm giving y'all a little bit of slow-mo so I can see the curls and how it moves and everything. So this is how it looks when it has its products on it, or whatever you guys put on your curly hair to make it curly. This is how it's going to come out. And right now it's just damp. So it's not soaking wet, it's just damp. So y'all, I went ahead and added some product to the hair. It is so freaking cute. So I just added mousse, water, and the Got2b curling cream, and that is it. These are the ends, and it's damp at this point, so it's not wet. So you guys, I want to get up and show you how long the hair is. This is actually a 22-inch, but when you stretch it, you get the actual length. But when you let it go, it does go up a couple inches, and it stops like right here. Y'all, I forgot to add that this hair did have some shedding, but that's actually common and that's actually natural for curly hair to have shedding. It wasn't that much shedding actually, but it was just like you run your fingers through it, you're gonna catch a few strands type. Like I could still catch a few strands right here, watch. Let's see if I catch some strands. See, I caught a few strands. Y'all probably can't see it, but I don't know if y'all can see it. Yeah, y'all can see it right there. You catch a few strands, but that's actually normal for curly hair. I actually went ahead and plucked some more of this frontal, so that's actually why it is still kind of shedding. But I'm totally fine with that because his hair is so freaking pretty, y'all. I feel like Pocahontas up in this thing. Like, they're gonna be like, who is that? I'll be like, Pocahontas? Who you looking for? Pocahontas? It's me right here. Y'all, but let me get right back into the video. I just forgot to tell y'all that this hair does experience some shedding, but other than that, the hair is beautiful. It's so pretty and everything like that. And this is 250 density lace front wig from Dolago. I don't know how to say it, but Dolago hair. I'm gonna go ahead and insert that name right here because I keep butchering the name. I don't know how to say it. But down in the description box, if you have any questions, don't be afraid to inbox me on my DMs on Instagram, or inbox me or just comment down below. And the link is going to be down there for you guys to check out the prices. I'm not sure, because I know the prices changed due to the length and density. So you guys have to actually go to the website and check that out. So you guys, this video is coming to an end. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what you think about this hair and how I did on this installation. You guys, don't forget to use my coupon code, which is JS10, to get a discount off. If you do, go ahead and purchase this hair. Thanks for watching, and I'm out. Peace.